Is the world finally getting relief from a potential oil crisis? And are India's energy and agriculture needs now secure? A major relief update is coming in from the Hormuz Strait, where just days ago fears of a global oil consumption were intensifying. But now the situation appears to be stabilizing, bringing some calm back to global markets as the Hormuz Strait reopens. As many as 41 ships bound for India are now ready to move forward, carrying essential supplies such as crude oil, LPG, LNG, and fertilizers. These include 15 Indian and 26 foreign vessels, and notably, more than a dozen ships are carrying fertilizers, which are crucial for the upcoming Kharif seasons and could ensure timely availability for farmers. Just a few days ago, the situations had become extremely tense, with concerns that any disruption in the Hormuz Strait could hurt global oil and gas supplies. This is a strategically vital route through which nearly 20% of the world's oil and a significant portion of gas supplies pass. Any blockage here has a direct impact not only on international markets but also on everyday consumers worldwide. However, as soon as the route reopened, crude oil prices began to ease. Brent crude dropped nearly 9% to around $90 per barrel, and overall prices have seen a decline of nearly 30% in the recent days, offering some relief to the markets. For India, this development is particularly significant as the country relies heavily on imports to meet its energy needs. The movement of these 41 ships is expected to improve supply chains, increase the availability of fuel and gas, and ensure timely delivery of fertilizers, which is critical for the agriculture sector. This could help stabilize prices and reduce pressure on fuel costs in the coming days. Experts believe that with the reopening of the Hormuz Strait, freight rates may ease, transportation costs could decline, and global trade may benefit from improved movement of goods. However, the big question remains, will this relief sustain, or could rising geopolitical tensions once again disrupt supply lines? While the situation that was highly volatile just days ago now appears to be gradually normalizing, the reopening of the Hormuz Strait has certainly brought a major relief not just for India but for the global economy as well. The focus now shifts to whether stability will hold or if markets will witness renewed volatility in coming days, as the impact of such developments ultimately reaches the pocket of consumers worldwide.